Okay, you guys, so we're gonna jump straight into the video. The first thing I'm gonna do is flat iron this hair. I wanted to show y'all how it looked like previously. I just didn't want to come on here with it straight and y'all like, was the wig straight, was it curly? But this is a curly wig. It's actually like a wet, you could wet it, it looks real nice. But I had a wig for so long, this shit dried up. As you can see, it's dry. In the back it gets a little tangled, but it's still a good wig. Like, it's still a good wig. So like I said, I'm gonna straighten it. I'm probably gonna fast forward through the straightening so we can get to the good part, the styling, because I know that's what we all here for, y'all. Like, because I researched on YouTube and I only seen like 2 videos. They had a lot of views, but I'm like, only 2 videos? We need more. Like, I know a lot of more people need to know how to do the style. So I got y'all. The products I'm gonna use is this the Garnier Fruit Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. This is how it looks. And then I'm going to use the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. And make sure you get it all through the hair. I'm going to use probably like 2 pumps of each. And this is how, I don't know if y'all can see, but it is enough. But you want to rub it all through. Rub it through the hair. Make sure you get the ends. Like, part the hair, rub it through. Try to get it everywhere you can. I'm probably going to use a little bit more like throughout the flat iron portion, but I just want to really make sure the serum like gets in there. And I put the band on for now because I've had this wig on probably for like probably 4 days now, and I'm going to touch up the lace. It's not too bad, but the side right here is lifting up. So I am going to touch up the lace, so that's why I had the band on right now, so it doesn't pull too much while I'm doing the style and everything else. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking now, and then we're going to get straight into it.
You're so bad, little mama. But girl, you in love with the drama, so we can't be friends. We just can't be friends, little mama. And goddamn, little mama, you ain't got no ambition for $1, so we can't be friends. So we can't be friends, little mama. Look, she tried to lock a nigga down like a Brinks truck. No, not me, I done had enough. So better luck next year. I'm forever shasty bitch for cocaine. I'm out here in a lot of mix. I almost didn't make it out. These links and drinks with bitches sure to take a nigga out and set a nigga up. You need a real nigga pass just to sit with us. But shorty at the bar got a breast sitting up. And if that tab come with ass, I'll pick it up. I'm trying to get with you and your friends because y'all look like twins, little mama. You so bad, little mama. But girl, you in love with the drama, so we can't be friends. We just can't be friends, little mama. And goddamn, little mama, you ain't got no ambition.
Okay guys, so here I'm just going to part out the section in the front that I'm going to use for the bang. I personally didn't want it too thick, so I just pulled out two little fringe pieces, and you want to make sure that they even. So take your time when you're parting out the sections, okay? Don't be trying to rush because you want it to look as clean as possible. Period.
And goddamn, little mama, you ain't got no ambition for $1, so we can't be friends. So we can't be friends, little mama. She want a nigga with some ends. She want a nigga that's gon' spend. She want a nigga with a Benz, but it's not me. I ain't really in it trickin' cause you wasn't with me pitching when I was getting all that chicken in this lobby. You bad as ever, you bad as hell, but you packaged with the extras, baby. I couldn't tell that you had all that baggage and the trip to jail, so we can't be friends, girl, that shit best sell. You so bad, little mama, but girl, you in love with the drama, so we can't be friends. We just can't be friends, little mama. And goddamn, little mama, you ain't got no ambition for $1, so we can't be friends. So we can't be friends, little mama. Say what don't kill you, make you stronger. I just hope I be alright. I admit that I've been sipping with my dogs, and that's a light. When I'm outside with all of my doors, I can feel the reaper in the night. When I'm outside with all of my doors, I can feel the reaper in the night. My ex told me she loved me, she lied, and that's alright. I guess she wasn't for me, she can't be my wife. When I'm outside with all of my doors, I can feel the reaper in the night. When I'm outside with all of my doors, I can feel the reaper in the night. What don't kill you, make you stronger. I just hope I be alright. I admit that I've been sipping with my dogs, and that's a light. When I'm outside with all of my doors, I can feel the reaper in the night. When I'm outside with all of my doors, I can feel the reaper in the night. Yeah, leave me alone, especially when I get all up in my zone. Don't hit my phone, I'm better off on my own. Unless you wanna meet the tone, I suggest you hit the road. I'm going bad for real. I got tattoos on my body, ain't gon' black for real. They told me that I should stop, but I'm in my bag for real. Chopper sing like it's a choir with that Mac for real. Lil' bro gon' spaz for real, yeah. They took my heart and I was so lost, knew I wasn't getting it back. Left me in the dark with all these scars, I feel like I'm getting attached. They took my dog, we on to war, but still wasn't getting them back. Fast steady tryna see where we at, but they could never find a gun in the trap, cause we never lacking. White man don't arrest me, yeah. I just came through with my shorty flexing and finessing, yeah. Where I'm from, you can play gangster, they still come and test you, yeah. Where I'm from, it ain't no one-on-ones. Don't be out here playing the streets, be smart when you playing the streets. If you ain't gon' play with none of your dogs, then why's you playing with me? Better watch what you saying to me, if I run under you with an 80 on me. Niggas already know I be spraying it, he with that 38 baby on me. Okay, we was out there trapping out the hallways, yeah. I see murder happen up in broad day, yeah. Public houses vacant, we was older, yeah. Told you I'm a ride and that's just always. I'm going bad for real. I got tattoos on my body, ain't gon' black for real. They told me that I should stop, but I'm in my bag for real. Chopper sing like it's a choir with that Mac for real. Lil' bro.
Y'all, it came out so freaking cute. Like, it's so cute. I don't know what it is. No, I know what it is, period. It's because it's me. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was easy for you guys to follow, you know, with what I was doing, because I know a lot of people are visual learners. But, you know, let me know what y'all think about this style in the comments. Make sure you leave a comment down below, like the video, do something, okay? Make some noise, y'all. What the you already know, period. But yeah, thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.